that one.
Okay, this
Sam,
one.
I'm worried they're gonna not get the message. They're not gonna catch our. They're gonna.
Can I put it on top?
I say put it on top here.
So cute. We're at Cheyenne's place, sorting books to send off to the HPA so that they can be sent to Uganda, to the Good Shepherd School. Yeah, Cheyenne's an interesting person, but you already knew that.
There's penguins up table over here.
Penguins. Penguins!
And the plethora of penguins continues.
The buzzing plethora of penguins
Plethora of penguins.
are used to prevent possible
Postpartum pantsuits? Postpartum pantsuits? Postpartum pantsuits.
Okay.
And I'm gonna need these sheets.
I don't know, Q. I don't know. This is what happens when you change the video schedule and I have to make a video for Saturday when I thought I had Wednesdays. Yeah.
Actually, here, this one.
This is interesting.
You have scissors?
But we're doing a good thing for good people. Yay! HPA!
So there's
Okay, talk to you more later.
when you walk in on the
We've got the finished products all around here. We got like boxes full of copies of that book, so Maria
there
is
are like 48
reading one.
of them, minus this and a couple other copies.
All
Alright.
3 copies out of it?
Sit. Yeah.
But yeah, we're just surrounded by books right now,
Yep.
Q.
I'm gonna make you food.
It's crazy.
So you're gonna
Okay,
sit.
fine. Food!
Food. I'm gonna make. We
Food
want.
is for people.
Well, Q, it's actually Saturday now. Holy crap, there's an echo in my room. And that would be because all of my stuff is not in here. Well, it's in the living room, but ignore that. I'm ready, pretty much, to move out of the place that I've been living for the past year, which is cool. I mean, never really told you, these are a little bit better than your standard dorm rooms. Because I've got my own bedroom. Oh, look at that artistic blowy curtain thing. Own bedroom. I shared a bathroom with a roommate. And we had the living room and the kitchen. Well, kitchenette. And you can see my stuff. But yeah, it's cool to be moving out. And, you know, I'm looking forward to seeing all of my friends back home. But, you know, there are a lot of friends that I have around Missoula that I'm not going to see for a whole summer. Also, you know, a boyfriend. Ta-da. Yeah, that happened. He's been on my vlogs before. You know who I'm talking about.
But I have a name.
But yeah, it's still rough leaving, even though I'm looking forward to going home. It's just, you know, when you get used to living most of your year in a different state, even though you do miss home, you start to feel less and less homesick. I'm gonna have to find a place to edit this. That's gonna be later tonight. Oh god, I have so much to do. Q, there is so much to do. DFTBA, dude. See ya on Wednesday.